Hello everyone, welcome to One Minute GK. Welcome to the lecture of Basic Funda. In this video, I am going to cover a very simple topic, that is movements of the earth. It is very simple topic, but it is still a basic topic. So I will have to cover it. So let's go. So there are two motions of the earth. Those are rotation and revolution. These two motions are responsible for different kinds of phenomena. For example, the rotation of earth is responsible for day and night, whereas the revolution is responsible for changing of the seasons. So let us first see the rotation. The first primary motion of the earth is rotation. The earth rotates in counterclockwise pattern, spinning about its own axis once every 24 hours, means one day. The earth wobbles as it rotates, similar to a spinning top, because the rotation of the earth occurs at a slight tilt. This tilt is approximately 23.5 degrees. The tilt of the earth as it rotates creates a different gravitational forces at the north and the south poles, for example, Coriolis force. So let's understand the rotation from this diagram. You can see the imaginary axis, which is passing through the north pole and south pole of the earth, is tilted by 23.5 degrees, and the rotation of the earth around its own axis is from west to east or counterclockwise direction. The next motion is revolution. As the earth rotates on its axis, it also revolves in orbit around the sun. It takes exactly 365 days for earth to make one full trip around the sun. That is our definition of a year. The earth follows a circular path as it travels around the sun in a counterclockwise pattern. This path is therefore referred to as the plane of elliptical orbit, because the earth revolves around the sun in elliptical orbit. So let's understand this revolution from this diagram. You can see the object in the sun center is the sun, which is the ultimate source of energy for whole world. At different months, earth is at different position, rotating around its own axis, as well as it is revolving around the sun in counterclockwise fashion. Let us discuss the difference between rotation and revolution. The earth rotates on its own axis, whereas it revolves around the sun. The rotation is nothing but to spin around the own axis, whereas revolution means to move around any specific object. The rotation of the earth takes 24 hours, whereas the revolution of the earth takes 365 days or total 1 year. Guys, you will have to find the answer of following three questions. The first question is why the sun rises in the east. Second question is what the shape of the earth is called. And the third question is how much is the distance between earth and the moon in kilometers. These are very easy questions and you should answer me these questions in the comment box. So thank you guys. Take care. Jai Hind.